Today we're going to take a look at identifying types of angles. You've seen a couple videos and watched those. So now I kind of want to go over and just check your answers. First off, on number one, if you take a look here, we have two different angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Notice they share a vertex. Again, the vertex is where the rays intersect. They do not share a common side. Since they don't share a common side, they can't be adjacent, but they are vertical. They are neither complementary, supplementary, or linear pairs. Taking a look at the next one, angle 1 and 2 are right next to each other, so they are adjacent. They are not across from each other, so they are not vertical. If you take a look here, we have a right angle. Since this angle is a right angle, that means adjacent to it must be a right angle. So angle 1 and 2 are complementary. They are not supplementary because supplementary is 180 and linear pair is two adjacent angles that form a straight angle, which is supplementary. Taking a look at number 3. We have angle 1 and we have angle 2. Notice these two are adjacent to each other because they share a common side. They are not across from each other, so they cannot be adjacent and vertical at the same time. Then next, complementary. They cannot be complementary because they do not form a right angle. But if you notice, they are a linear pair and supplementary because if you take out this line, and I'll just kind of show you this, actually this ray. If you take out this ray right here, if you take that out, you have a straight angle or a line, so that makes it a linear pair, and a linear pair is both adjacent and supplementary. So you have all three of these. Next we have the fourth example. Angle 1 and angle 2, again, they share a side. This is the side they share, but it does not form a line. The large angle does not form a line. So let's go ahead and mark they're adjacent. And they are not vertical because they're not across. Again, they can't be adjacent and vertical, nor are they complementary because I don't see a box here. I just can't assume it's 90. So now let's go on to the next one, number 5. Here we have angle 1 and angle 2. Now, if you notice, they do share a vertex. There is no common side shared. And if you reflect them over, or you flip it over, those are across from each other. So that is a vertical angle. But there is one additional thing. If you notice, there is this right angle that's marked right there. So if that's a right angle, then across from it's a right angle. And if you notice, there's these marks right here. That means those two are equal to each other. So this ray, when I say this ray, let me point it out to you. This ray bisects it, so both these angles are equal. 90 divided by 2 is 45, so that means this must be 45.